I like when you want to spend time with me because I like to feel wanted. If I don't feel wanted, then I like to because I will let you know that I want to be with you. I love physical touch. Be nice, we don't have to be fucking, but I want to cuddle, I want to touch you.
It could just be a light touch, it doesn't have to be just those little small things like.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
I'll give you all the compliments in the world because I'll tell you the truth. I can tell you there's nobody that looks like you. I'll tell you there's nobody that looks your outfit. I can tell you anything that you want to hear.
Life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside.
You're going to hurt me.
Is this an argument or just a punishment? Either way,
Before you didn't do it. Confrontation.
I must cook. So by
or just the start of it. I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one.
How do you feel?
I don't have any explanations for the people outside, so I don't bother anymore.
I don't understand.
You beat my bed, you grabbed it, you done.
I did.
No problem. This point in time, they already know that this is our relationship. Me and you are cool.
I'm a lover, not a fighter. And I can fight for the one I love.
I've imagined kissing you for so long since the first day I saw you. I want to pin you to the wall and kiss you.
Let's try. And try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again. I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel his tense. Don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only.
I didn't sleep all night till I did what you asked me to do.
Yeah.
You know.
You didn't sleep all night after doing what I asked you to do. But you had something else to do for Ruth. That was why you did not even sleep for. Don't make it look like it was just me.
You sure there's somebody I like, but I don't know.
The person's not slender.
He's not slender. But I don't know if, in fact, he's the only one I'm giving attention to. And he's sitting in front of me.
You say you don't lie.
Getting on in says that my guys are getting picky.
Hey, what's your type?
My type. Topher is my type.
How much are you looking forward to seeing Topher?
20.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings. You don't ever want to set me free.
You continue to feign innocence in this your triangle thing. And we now still saw you pulling somebody's face to kiss inside the pool. What is wrong with you?
You saw me pulling somebody to whisper something that I didn't want to.